Gaurav Gupta is based in Gurgaon and the founder of a very interestingly named company called Squareboat. So he says that his company designs quote unquote beautiful, quote unquote scalable web and mobile apps. So certainly the word beautiful is very, very striking when it comes to mobile apps and uh, web apps. And I must say that we are very eager to hear what he does and how his company performs this function of providing their customers. And I believe there are over 100 plus companies that they have in India. It's been over 6 years, and before founding this startup, he has worked in other startups like Naukri and Educom, etc. So welcome Gaurav to this platform.
Thank you. Thank you, Pramod. Looking forward to it.
Okay, thanks. Okay, let's randomly start with Gaurav. Gaurav, what is it like to, be running a company in a startup mode, being the founder, and then all of a sudden you are hit by an unprecedented, unexpected upheaval caused by this pandemic? So give us about 2 minutes of your perspective.
My stand on this whole thing has been very simple, that as an entrepreneur, I just treat it like another challenge, that has come our way. Life has been full of challenges ever since I started this company. There have been ups and downs all along the way. So, the mindset that I have been following is that let's treat it like another challenge. You take it strongly, fight it out, and one fine day it will go away and you'll be ready for the next challenge and you will be stronger than before.
What has been your strategy in terms of learning? How are you learning to deal with this? Or is it you are using your own gut level intuition, seat of the pants to get ahead in this crisis?
My first and foremost point is that, in my opinion, this is like it's not like the past recession, it's not been caused by something fundamental in our economy. It's a health crisis, and in my opinion, things will become better the moment this health crisis goes away. So opportunities will come back, people will come back to work. So it's kind of a short-lived problem. Obviously, the healthcare aspect has to be taken into account when this whole situation is likely to improve. We can't say, but whenever it does, I feel that it's going to recover very quickly, because people will obviously want to get back to work, and all the demand and supply equation will start happening almost immediately. That's one point. Other thing is that I also feel that not all companies are actually equally affected. You to try find opportunities which still exist. So then there could be companies, but you might be in a situation where you're getting less than market pay or less than expected pay, I would say, or you might be working as a contract, or you might be working as internships. I think so you should definitely take those opportunities and stick with it for a while. I think that will give you a lot of exposure and got a lot of learning as well. Third thing I also had in mind was it's actually a very good time to sharpen your skills. So yes, online courses. So for example, I run this company called Hacker.io. It's a platform for online learning, and also Kunal runs Analytics Vidya. So definitely it's a good time for all of you to, upskill yourself into something that you have not learned in college. Obviously, GLA has given you tremendous exposure compared to other colleges that I have been to in the past about what students end up learning and in the tenure of their BTech degrees. But I think it's still a good time to learn programming languages, learn data science, design, or whatever interests you, because when the pandemic gets over and you are back to equation where you are being wanted by companies again, then I think you will then have an edge, because then you will have that advantage over other students who have just whiled away their time in this whole period and not necessarily bothered to upskill themselves. And the fourth and probably the last point is that please don't get lazy. Please keep yourself fit and active in this period, because it is very important that you don't doze off and just while away this time. If you are active, if you are constantly working on improving yourself, if you are constantly looking for opportunities, think of it as just another day for you at work. Come to your whatever little isolated zone that you can create in your house. Look for work, seek out opportunities, connect to people on LinkedIn, try connecting and figuring out what they can do for you, and keep yourself up to date with whatever is happening in the tech world, design world, analytics world, data science world. Me and Kunal both can actually offer you a lot of lot of other advice on how things are shaping up in the tech industry, how things are shaping up in the data science industry, feel free to reach out to us separately also after this whole conversation, and maybe we might be able to give you some other one-to-one advice as well. So that's my take, Pramod.